दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद शियान। आज मैं आपके लिए एक और नई वीडियो लेकर आया। आज मैं आपके लिए अमेज़न के एनिमल और उनके मुताबिक सेंटेंसेस के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों। तो देखिए, ये जैगुआर, द जैगुआर roamed silently through the dense Amazon jungle. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, anaconda, the enormous anaconda slithered across the waiting for its prey. Capybara, the capybara is the largest rodent and love to swim in the Amazon water. Piranha, a school of piranhas quickly developed their meal in the murky river. Sloth. The sloth moved lazily from one branch to another, taking its time. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog is a bright color, is warned predator to stay away. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle soared above a treetop, searching for food. Toucan. The toucan's colorful beak was a striking sight against the howler monkey. The loud call of the howler monkey echoed through the rainforest. A macaw, a pair of macaw fly to their feathers bright against the sky. Tarantula. The tarantula crept slowly along the forest floor, hunting for insects. Caiman. A caiman lay in wait by the river's edge. Ocelot. The ocelot slinged through the underbrush, its caught blending with the shadow. Pink dolphin. The pink river dolphin surfaced to breathe, surprising the boat leaf cutter and Mamaj in long line carrying a piece of leaf back. Squirrel monkey jumped playfully between the branches. Amazon river turtle. The Amazon river turtle basked on along, soaking up the sunlight. Tapir. A tapir wandered quietly through the undergrowth, foraging. A bald, a curry red face stood out as it swung through the tree. The bushmaster, a snake, lay coiled, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Electric eel. The electric eel generated a powerful shock to defend back cayman. A black cayman moved steadily through the golden lion tamarind's his mane glowed in the sunlight as it climbed. The owl perched silently matching for movement. Red-bellied piranha. The red-bellied piranha swam quickly, showing off its razor-sharp teeth. Giant otter. A family of giant otters played together in the river, their sleek bodies gliding. A herd fisher is rustled through the forest searching for good food. The Hodgson's bizarre appearance make it a unique bird of the Amazon. Jaguar ondi it darted through the dense vegetation. A group of South American coyotes sniffed around the ground looking the insects. Tendua. The tendua is use its long snout to feed tamarin. The feed tamarin leaped nimbly from branch to branch in search of fruit. King Kaju King Kaju who energized a night eager. Marmoset. The pigeon marmoset, the world's smallest monkey, named Amazonian manatee. Amazonian manatee swam gracefully. Vampire bat. The vampire bat silently glided through the night in search of a host. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, ये रात को लिखते हैं, शिकार करते हैं. ये टीटी मंकी. The टीटी monkey clung to its mother as they moved through the treetops. Crested eagle. The crested eagle spotted its prey from high above, diving swiftly toward the ground. Red-footed tortoise. The red-footed tortoise slowly crossed the path, its colorful leg in woolly monkey. A woolly monkey Leslie lunged loud in the tree, enjoying the afternoon sun. Bush dog. The Aleutian bush dog trotted quickly through the dense forest, hunting for small mammals. An agouti scurried through the leaves, searching for nuts and seeds. The Paracana, a rare rodent, kindly following the forest underground growth. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, Spix's macaw, the bright blue Spix's macaw flew through the rainforest, adding splash of color to sky. Giant anteater. The giant anteater's long tongue darted into an ant's nest, pulling out its meal. The hortoos called behind, echoing through the nighttime forest. A common squirrel monkey picked a fruit from the tree and nibbled on it. Black spider monkey. The black spider monkey uses its long tail to swing from tree to tree. Margay. The margay moved gracefully through the branches, blending in with its surroundings. Silky anteater. The silky anteater, hidden in the leaves, used its claws to teeter into Amazonian giant centipede. The Amazonian giant centipede scurried across the ground, hunting insects. Yakir cayman. Floated just below the water's surface. Acari. The red acari He swung anger through the dense canopy. Blue poison dart frog. The blue poison dart frog hopped through the underbrush. Its skin a brilliant warning. Sunbittern. The sunbittern spread its wings, displaying its striking feather pattern. Pampas cat. The pampas cat stealthily eats prey through the grassland on their edge. Amazon tree boa. The Amazon tree boa called itself around a branch, blending into the foliage. Collared peccary. A collared peccary rooted through the ground, searching for tasty roots. Orinoco crocodile. The Orinoco crocodile basked on the river bank, soaking up the warmth. मेरे प्यार दोस्तों, और अब है next. Ruffles headed Chakalaka. The Ruffles red Chamakaka called loudly to its mate from the tree tops. Golden poison frog. The golden poison frog's toxic skin making it one of the deadliest creature in the Amazon. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw vibrant plumage is a stunning sight in the rainforest canopy. A Gunan cock of the rock. The bright orange garland of the rock pitched proudly on a branch. The Arrow turtle paddled lazily through the Amazon river. दोस्तों अब नेक्स्ट है, इसका नाम है, वो है कॉमन opossum. A common opossum rummaged through the leaf litter in search of food. Tamaru. The tamaru, a rare wild cattle species, grazed peaceful in the Amazon's plains. Linnaeus two-toed sloth. Two-toed sloth moved slowly through the trees, blending into the canopy. held tree boa. The emerald tree boa hung gracefully from a branch, its scale gleaming in the light. Crimson topaz, the crimson topaz hovered never flowers, drinking nectar with its long beak. Amazonian umbrella bird, the Amazon umbrella bird called out with its deep booming voice. Long tail potu, the long tail potu, camouflage perfectly against a tree trunk. Lanky snake, the lanky snake lay camouflage among the leaf and danger to any peasant. Rufus vented ground cuckoo. The Rufus gentle ground cocoa dashed quickly through the underbush. Pigeon three-toed sloth, the pygmy three-toed sloth hung from a branch, moving slowly through the tree. Grey-winged trumpeter, the grey-winged trumpeter strutted confidently through the forest floor. Marbled wood quail foraged for seeds among the fallen leaves. Amazon horned frog sat still, waiting for its next meal to approach. Pygmy owl. The pygmy owl hooted softly from its perch in the trees. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, ये है white checked titty monkey foraged for fruit in the dense canopy. Amazon bamboo rat scurried through the undergrowth, searching for food. Orange-eyed tree frog. The orange-eyed tree frog, vibrant eyes, gave it a unique look. Amazon parrot, the squeaky loud, mimicking the sounds it's heard around the edge. Spotted baka. The spotted darted through the forest. It's spotted a coat blending in with the shadows. Green iguana. Loud in the sun. It's scales soaking up the rosy boa. A coil quickly as it sat on the warm knock. Tyra quickly climbed, seeking refuge from the radiator. Scarlet Abyss stood in the shallow water, its bright red feathers standing out. Giant armadillo dug into the ground with its powerful claws. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट जो है वह येलो footed tortoise lumbered across the forest floor. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट इसका नाम है वो है, अभी आप देखें, ब्लैक skimmer love surface for fish. Buffy tufted ear marmoset jumped playfully from branch to branch. Brown-throated three-toed sloth. The brown-throated hung lazily from a tree branch. Amazon kingfisher dove swiftly small fish. Common parakeet. The common parakeet soft call for insects. Crimson-crested woodpecker hammered away at a tree searching for insects. Bare-faced The bare-faced craftsman walked proudly through the forest